Hi, this is Rohit. With an internship program from the Spark Foundation, TSF Crypt Task hashtag 6. Task hashtag 6 is a prediction using decision tree algorithm. Create the decision tree classifier and visualize it graphically. The purpose is to feed any new data to the classifier. It would be available to predict the right accordingly. The dataset link is provided, and let's jump into the solution. So first of all, I'm importing some libraries as pandas, numpy, matplotlib, born, sklearn, importing datasets from sklearn, and I have stored the dataset in my drive and reading it through pandas. So the dataset contains 6 columns: ID, sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal weight, and species, which we have to find out. It is a dependent variable and all four are independent variables. Features target. Let's check out number of rows and columns. 150 rows and 6 columns. Some basic EDA on the dataset. ID is of in data type. Sepal length is of float. Sepal width is of float. Petal length is of float. Petal width is of float data type. And species is an object. It is in categorical variable. Here we have the standard deviation, mean, and the quartile ranges, first quartile, second quartile, and third quartile ranges of all 5 integer columns or 5 numerical columns. Let's check out for the duplicates. There are no duplicates. Splitting the data X and Y. In X, we are dropping ID and species. I think ID is not useful at all for feature. And as a target, we are taking species. So importing tenant test split from sklearn model selection, and I'm taking test size as 20%, 80% for training. You can see it is 150 is whole records, for training 120, and for testing 30. 150, 120, 30. Importing decision tree classifier from sklearn.tree classifier. I'm fitting the classifier on training dataset. Now I'm predicting the values on test data. For performance matrix, I'm importing classification report, accuracy score, confusion matrix, and Cohen kappa score from sklearn.matrix. First of all, I'm checking the accuracy on the test data. Accuracy is 1. That's good. Confusion matrix. Almost there are no false positive or false negative record. The model has predicted every record perfectly. Kappa score is 1 in the classification report. All precision, recall, and F1 score and support are good. Precision is 1, recall is 1, F1 score is 1. And visualizing the decision tree classifier model, you can see petal width, true, false, entropy, and all. So this is the solution. Thank you. Thank you for the presentation.